Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. In today's tutorial, we're going to build a simple arithmetic calculator using JavaScript. This is perfect for beginners and a great way to brush up on your coding skills. First, let's start with a blank JavaScript file. We'll begin by defining a function for each arithmetic operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These functions take two arguments, x and y, and return the result of the operation. Notice how the divide function includes a check to avoid division by 0, which would otherwise cause an error. Next, let's create a user interface for our calculator. We'll use a simple text-based interface where users can select an operation and input numbers. Here, we first display a menu with the available operations. The user inputs their choice, which we check against the valid options. If the input is valid, we prompt the user for two numbers and perform the selected operation. Finally, let's add a loop to allow the user to perform multiple calculations without restarting the program. This loop calls the calculator function repeatedly until the user decides to stop. The program asks the user if they want to perform another calculation, and if the answer is not yes, the loop breaks, ending the program. Let's test our calculator to see it in action. As you can see, our arithmetic calculator works perfectly, handling all four operations and even checking for division by 0. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Architectural Programming for more tutorials. Happy coding! Check out these videos next, and keep building amazing projects with us.